What's up, everybody? Today we are going to be doing a high school girl like Joker kind of thing. Let's just go ahead and get started. So the first thing that I'm going to use is I'm just going to make my complexion a little bit lighter because Joker's complexion is light and it'll help me a lot with having a lighter complexion and actually looking like Joker. So I use this porcelain, it's blurry, that's not helpful, this porcelain foundation. So this is just to make my complexion lighter, and it's just to make it lighter and to make it easier so I actually look like Joker. So I'm gonna grab my mirror here, it looks like a bunny. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So I just put it on all the main areas of my face, and I use my little blending brush and I just blend it in. Next thing I'm going to work on is the eyes because it's just the easiest in my opinion. So I have this big old palette full of stuff. It's All Eyes on Me. It's a 100-piece eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna get the dark color that I have, this color right here, and I'm gonna kind of do like a smoky eye kind of thing to start off with. And I'm gonna move it all the way up to my eyebrow. It's going all the way up to my eyebrow. And so I'm just gonna do the other side. And it's totally okay if it's a little messy because Joker is messy, so I guess not his makeup's not 100% perfect. And they don't have to be matching either. Okay, cool. So I have that, and then so it's not so dark and big and bold because it's kind of a lighter color. So I'm just gonna take complexion brush. This is by e.l.f. and I have a bunch of brushes like these. Let's see if I can find some. Actually, I don't have any on me right now, but I have a bunch of the end sparkly ones. So I'm just gonna kind of lightly rub over it, so not all of it comes off, but some of it does. So it's not so dark. It's not as dark and it's not as crazy, I guess you could say. Okay, there. There we go. Okay. Alright. So then he's got something in my eye. He's got those spikes down the side, not the front. But I'm kind of going on based on progress. So not progress, but whatever. So I'm gonna put this away for now, and I'm going to grab my Tag Body Art face paint. And I'm gonna grab the green color. Ooh. hey there. So I have a bunch of these, and my lid is kind of like messy because I like mix colors in the lid. Back to green. I'm gonna take my green face paint, and I got my water here. And I'm gonna get my brush. I'm gonna grab my green and my brush, and I'm going to color my eyebrows because his eyebrows are green, so it's like filling in your eyebrows but with face paint, really. And I like this because it kind of like rubs off really easily. Your look and my look on the eyebrows is gonna look different because I have to like fill in because I have missing stuff right there. So, alright, then I want to come in here. So I'm done with that. Yeah, I'm done with that. Okay. So then I'm gonna get his little stripes or arrows, whatever you want to call them. And I'm also going to use my face paint. So I'm gonna go back in with the green, and I'm gonna like get a meeting point where I want the spike to like end. So I want it to end right about there. So then okay. Like that. Cool. So then I'm gonna go back in with my like brush that I was using. And I'm going to continue with the black, and I'm just gonna make it darker. And I'm actually gonna let it dry first because I don't want foundation on my, or face paint on my brush. Okay, so yeah, that's not quite dry yet. So I will do the bottom next. So this one I'm gonna connect from my actual eye down. So always make sure that your face paint can get in the eye before you do stuff like this, because if you get too close to the eye, it can really like irritate your eye and like hurt your eye. So then I'm going to work on my smile for this side. Okay. So I got this. It's like this lips thing, and it comes with its like own little brush. Now I'm gonna go in with the face paint. So then I'm gonna go out as far as I want to. And I don't know if you've seen like the movies or anything, but his smile is like jacked up. So I'm going to just like tap in. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's like, it's messed up and it's not like one nice big smile. And I'm gonna add like some like little curves to it, so it like gives it some like character. Okay, cool. And to also give this some depth as well, I'm going to take that black eyeshadow again and do it in the center of this nose. And just like blend it in. So Joker has very many like sides to himself. So I decided that this side was going to be the happy side, the spikes were going to be all nice and clean and symmetrical and not messy, and this was just going to be a smile on the side. But this side is going to be like frowning, and the sides are going to be like messed up. And he's going to have like dirt spots on the side kind of. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into this. I'm going to do it really quickly. Okay, so I just did the second side, and it's pretty much the same. It's just so I'm gonna do the same effect that I did with his smile. I'm going to use the brush, and I'm just gonna dab on the corners and on the side. And then I'm gonna like alright, while that dries, I'm gonna do my smile or whatever on this side. Alright, so we're gonna do the same exact thing that we did on this side, it's gonna go down. Like kind of scary, like me looking at this, I'm like, oh my gosh. Alright, so then I'm just putting a little black darker spot right there on the top. I'm gonna do one at the jawbone. You can't really see the one on the side, but it's there. So yeah. There. If you want to do a girl look, you can add a little eyeliner to it. Then add a little mascara. You can choose to curl your eyelashes, or you don't have to. I normally don't because it's like way easier to just like add mascara and just be like, okay, I'm done. Okay, so that makes it like a girl. Okay. To make it like a little, just spice it up a little bit and to just add like some lipstick to it. So yeah, so this is my finished look. So basically on this side he's like happy and he's just chilling and he's like, it's all good. And then on this side he's upset, I guess. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure you hit that thumbs up. And if you want more content like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. I'll see you guys next time. Bye for now from Callie.